I picked up this white noise generator recently, hoping that it would help me sleep. I have a slight tinnitus, and I've gotten into the habit of leaving the air conditioner run to give me some background noise, and I thought maybe something like this would be a little bit more efficient. Didn't even bother with an unboxing because it came in a completely generic white box in a white envelope. As you can see, there's not a whole lot to it. There's a two-position on-off switch, some foam padding on the bottom, and some adjustable vents to let the sound out. I broke out my shotgun mic to try and give you a better idea of the noise that it makes, so let's plug it in and give it a try. As you can hear, you can vary the tone by opening and closing the holes on the top and adjusting the slots on the side, and the second power switch definitely makes it a lot louder. The problem that I had is that it still has a high-pitched note that just annoys me, and it just doesn't have the deep kind of bass rumble that even a bathroom fan has. So for me, it isn't helping with the tinnitus, it isn't helping me sleep at all.